Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be talking to you about this new airdrop that has been blowing up on Twitter. Okay, it has been blowing up on Twitter and it is something that I want you to urge and join and participate for two main reasons actually, which I'm going to share in this video. Not just about the monetary value that comes with the airdrop, but something quite interesting that you can be able to gain if you are really interested in farming in the Web3 space using your X account or your Twitter accounts. All right. So if you are new here, my name is Odis Profits and I make content about crypto tech and finance. Do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. Without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing here is GiveRep. All right, it's a new airdrop that just blew up or currently blowing up at the moment. What it does is like it's a social finance airdrop. What I mean by social finance is it's a community centric, so it deals with more of the community than the normal interactions that we normally do. So it's on SU blockchain and it is for social finance. Hence, you might not even need to connect your wallet. All you need is just your X account. All right, as you're already seeing it here, all you just need is your X account. But there's a criteria or a catch towards it. Okay, so which is what I'm going to spill right now, which is part of the first reason. The first reason or the first way for you to be able to get the airdrop is to be able to click the link that is showing on the screen or the link in their bio. I can open it here on my Chrome account. The link is just a simple link. It's not a referral link. All right, it's not a referral link. It's just their website. That's giverep.com. That is what it is. So there's no referral link there. So after you click on the website, there's a criteria for it. So for you to be able to connect your wallet, you need only your X account, as you are seeing it here. What you need to be able to do is to connect your X or your Twitter account. So not even your Phantom Wallet, MetaMask, or whatever. You don't need that. It's just your X account. So it's a social finance and it's on the SU blockchain. Look at it here. Social reputation layer for crypto users to track engagement and build reputation on X. So these are like the things that you need to be able to do. So what you need basically is to have the minimum requirements there from GiveRep is to have at least 100 followers. All right, so you must have 100 followers for you to be able to be eligible for the airdrop. Currently, let me be honest and transparent, this is my account, and as at the time of recording this video, this is the number I have. That's only 69 followers. All right, only 69 followers, and I'm following actually 368. Yes, you might look at it in a sense that it's not yet big, so I'm not even qualified for the airdrop. But the catch is this: I've not been active on Twitter. That's one of the key reasons. It's only on my YouTube channel that you're already seeing. That is where I am most active. But the catch that I'm trying to tell you now is that even if you are not up to 100 followers, all right, even if you're not up to 100 followers, you can use this opportunity to grow your Twitter account. All right, you can use this opportunity to grow your Twitter account to at least 100 followers or to connect with more people that can use your referral links. If you feel like every single thing is based on the influencers, you can use it to grow your Twitter account. And we all know how important Twitter or X account is whenever you are trying to be able to mine airdrops. Okay, it is very important. All you need to do basically is just to engage. That is what I've been doing here. I've been doing a lot of replies. If you can look at my Twitter accounts, this is basically what I've been doing. A lot of replies to people. That's sending them reply, how far, hello, please follow me, whatever, and all these things. That is what I've been doing to be able to grow account with real users. That is the benefits. You are growing with real users as well as real people who are also farming the airdrop, and you are just doing a follow for follow method. I've seen people grow to even 3,000, someone that's even 2,000, someone that's even 200, someone that's even 500 with just this campaign. So all you need to do is just to be active. This is my replies. I've been replying a lot of people for a large amount of time, and not only that, it makes your Twitter account active and strong. Not only do I have people who are following me, I have people who are also my followers who are even from verified followers, that's verified accounts, and it happens. So basically, you need to be able to do all these things in order to be able to grow your account as well as get eligibility for the airdrop. For future purposes, you need a quality Twitter account when doing every single thing related to crypto and Web3 as well as airdrops. So that is my main goal here. Okay, so I'm going to come back to this video to be able to give a complete rundown, but for the meantime, this is what you need to be able to do. So my advice is you can be able to join my Twitter account, which you're already seeing on the screen. Okay, this is my Twitter account, which you're seeing on the screen, which you're already seeing on the screen. I'll also put the link that is in the description so that you can be able to follow me. I'll follow back quickly and immediately. All right, quickly and immediately. There's no shame in following someone back, whether you say, I don't care whether you're a verified account or you are not verified. I'm still going to get my own verification alongside. So it's not like I'm bragging or to show off. It doesn't matter. All you need to be able to do is to follow and follow people back in order for us to be able to grow together. In addition to that, if someone doesn't follow you back, probably you can give them time. All right. Okay. If someone is not responding, if I were you, I'll just give them small time, let's say a week or so, or few days. If they don't respond and they are also active, that's neglecting it, I'll just have to unfollow them and move on to people who are mutuals with me. All right. So it's not like I'm following you and you are not following me back. No, I will not do that. It's for everyone to be able to grow together. All right. You need those referrals. I need those referrals. And we are trying to be able to make money in this crypto and finance space. So that's every single thing for the GiveRep Airdrop. I'm still going to come back to it when we reach our 100 followers as well as grow over this entire thing. So these guys, or some of them, I've seen them on Twitter. They are right here. You can be able to see them, and it's just like a reputation thing. So get on it and keep farming with your airdrop. Even if you don't get the entire airdrop, at least grow your followership with real users and not bots or you spending money. So with that, every single thing about this video concerning GiveRep is covered. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification as well as join the Telegram channel that is linked in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.